Imagine your body as a well-run city, humming with activity. Now imagine invaders, viruses and bacteria, trying to slip in and cause chaos. Your immune system is the city's defense force, but it's not all-knowing. Vaccines are like a friendly training program that prepares your defenders before the real attack arrives. Today, we'll walk through that immune bootcamp in simple terms, clarify common confusion, and show why this training matters. Start with the basics. The immune system has two main teams, the immediate responders and the strategists. The immediate responders, innate immunity, act quickly and broadly. They are the patrols and checkpoints, recognizing anything that looks suspicious but not distinguishing fine details. The strategists, adaptive immunity, take longer to respond the first time, but they learn and remember. They are the intelligence officers and specialist units who design targeted weapons against a specific invader. When a new pathogen enters, the innate team slows it down and sends signals. Dendritic cells and other messengers collect samples of the invader and carry them to the lymph nodes. Think of these as the war room. There, the adaptive team gets to work. Two key players emerge: B cells and T cells. B cells specialize in making antibodies, proteins that bind to invaders and neutralize them or mark them for destruction. T cells come in varieties: helpers that coordinate the response and killers that eliminate infected cells. A first encounter can be costly because the adaptive team needs time to recognize the enemy, clone effective cells, and produce antibodies. That's where vaccines come in. Vaccines present a harmless version or piece of a pathogen to the immune system, like a detailed drill scenario in the war room. The scenario is realistic enough for the strategists to learn what the real enemy looks like, but it cannot cause the disease itself. There are several ways vaccines present this training material. Traditional vaccines often use weakened or inactivated pathogens, non-threatening versions that show the immune system the whole uniform and tactics. Other vaccines use just a piece, such as a protein or sugar from the pathogen's surface, like showing a photo of the enemy leader. More recent technology, mRNA vaccines, deliver instructions so your own cells temporarily produce a harmless piece of the pathogen. Your immune system then studies that piece and prepares a defense. Each approach teaches the adaptive immune system to recognize specific features, antigens, so it can respond faster and more effectively later on. Once trained, the body develops memory, long-lived memory. B cells can rapidly produce antibodies if the same pathogen appears again. Memory. T cells can quickly coordinate or directly eliminate infected cells. This memory can last years, sometimes decades, and in some cases, for life. When a vaccinated person encounters the real pathogen, their immune response is faster and stronger, often stopping the infection before it causes serious illness. It's important to understand that vaccines don't always block infection entirely, but they greatly reduce the risk of severe disease, hospitalization, and death. Think of the difference between a city that's prepared versus one without a plan. The prepared city might still see a few skirmishes, but infrastructure holds and citizens are protected. Side effects are another part of the picture. Mild symptoms, soreness, fever, fatigue, are signs the immune system is responding to the training. Serious reactions are rare and carefully monitored. Vaccination programs weigh risks and benefits on a massive scale, which is why they are continuously evaluated and improved. Finally, there's a community-level benefit called herd immunity. When many people are trained, the pathogen has fewer places to spread, protecting those who cannot be vaccinated or whose immune systems are weaker. In short, vaccines are a safe way to teach your immune system what to recognize so it can act swiftly and decisively when it meets the real thing. They turn a reactive defense into a prepared force, safeguarding individuals and communities alike. That friendly immune bootcamp is one of our most powerful tools for preventing disease and preserving health.